100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems. That's the human in me. Bling bling, then I solve them. That's the goddess.
What's up, you guys? It is your girl Shay, and today's video we are doing an unboxing. If you want to see what I got to show you guys, make sure you stay tuned. And if you are new, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video, because you do not want to miss what I have coming up next. So if you want to see what I got inside this bag, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so this packaging here is from Bijou Beauty Box, you guys. If you don't know what Bijou Beauty Box is, Bijou Beauty is a beauty subscription. You get it monthly. You get it just one single box. You can just buy one single box, and they have 5 full-size products from indie brands on Instagram, on the internet, blase, so forth. It is, I don't know if I said it, it was $13 a month, free shipping. I think it's free shipping, I don't know, but I will have the links down below to Bijou Beauty Box and their Instagram down below. So if you are interested, make sure you click on the link down below. So if you want to see what's inside, make sure you stay tuned. And if you are new, welcome. Hey, I see you, girl or guy. I see you. What is up? My name is Shay. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can become a part of the hashtag Glam Dog Gang. So this is the packaging, and it is in this bubble wrapper mailer instead of the box, because she said that the palette that is inside is too big to fit into the regular box that they have. But I think she said they're moving into these because they're more affordable. So yeah, anyway, let's go inside. I already cut it open because I wanted to save some time for this video. This is what the inside looks like. Here you have a lot of the scrabbles, and I think this is the paper. And this is what the new card looks like here. This is what it's called, so you can look that up on Instagram. And on the back it just says everything that is inside the box for September 2019. And this one is different because last month they had the prices on them, but this one, it does not have the prices on it. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. It is fine. If I do find the prices, I will have it somewhere up on the screen, so you guys can look for that. But yeah, it says possible, hey babe, hope you enjoyed this month's box. This box comes with 5 products, possible brand variations: J-Cat Beauty, Chentilly Cosmetics, Medusa's Makeup, Ofra Cosmetics, SF Glow, and Lunatics Cosmetics. So yeah, let's go inside and see what we got. Okay, and I am kind of talking low because my kids are still sleeping, I think, so I don't want to be loud and wake them up because it is the weekend. So I just got this on Friday, and first thing inside is this palette. This is from J-Cat Beauty. Let me open it up for you guys. And I do not know the price, but as I said, I will have the price listed on the video somewhere for you guys to know. And then I will have the retail value of the box at the end of the video, and to also let you guys know how I am feeling about this month's Bijou Beauty Box. So it is in the, it comes in the box, J-Cat Beauty. And then this is the back. It shows you the shades and the, well, it doesn't have names, it just has numbers. So hopefully it's not on the plastic thing, because I really hate the plastic thing. So here we go. So the packaging is like a Morphe packaging. You got that I don't know, plastic eyeshadow case, just like Morphe's, but it says J-Cat. And then on the inside, no plastic thing. All right, but this is what the palette looks like. So nice fall colors, but this is not me. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to wrap this back up, because I'm going to get this in my Halloween giveaway. So If y'all are interested in my Halloween giveaway, make sure you hit the like button. Let me know if you are interested in the giveaway so I can have it for Halloween of 2019. Okay, so this will be one of the things that will be in the Halloween giveaway. Okay, you guys. So, and of course, in order to enter the giveaway, you will need to be subscribed. So yeah, so the J Cat's Sunset Boulevard 24 eyeshadow palettes will be in my October's giveaway. Alright, and the next thing we have is in this mini bubble mailer. I'm trying to see if there's anything else in the packaging. Hold on, I have one more thing. I'm just going to take everything out, make sure there's nothing left. It's very hard to see. Ooh, we have some candies, you guys. If y'all don't know, Chentilly, Bijou Beauty Box is known for putting candies inside their things, which is why I really like them, because they're different. So yeah, okay, that is everything in the bubble mailer. So we have 2 sour punch straws. So we have the red one and the green one, and guess what, I'm about to eat the green one right now. So ASMR really quickly, mukbang candy edition, I don't know, but yeah. Alright, so the next thing we have is blush chameleon. I guess it's in the shade chameleon, and this is what it looks like right here. It's like a mauve red color. I'm not going to swatch it. This is what it looks like. And this also will be going inside of my giveaway, because I already have an overbrush blush and I don't even use it, so I figure why not. So this will be going into the giveaway as well. So we're already off to a good start. Alright, let's look inside this sorry, let's look inside this bubble mailer. And I'm sorry, y'all, I had just woke up and I was like, let me film this video before I never do. Okay, this is hard. You don't want to open. Hold on. She super glued it or something? Okay, she must have super glued this joint. Alright. Got that open. Alright, so the next thing we have is from Lunatics, and it is called their Gamma Gloss. This is in the shade Hydra. I think it's called Hydra, but this is their Hydra Gloss. Okay, so let's see what this one looks like. Y'all know I'm a gloss girl now. 2019 has turned me into a gloss girl. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice holographic looking color, which is not my vibe, but maybe for somebody else. So I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to swatch it. This is their Hydra Gloss. I'm guessing it looks holographic. Let me see what it says. A moisturizing dewy base blended with glitter and pearl pigment creates a sculpted and volumized gleam visible from every corner of the universe. Whatever that means. So yeah, I'm not even gonna open it. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything. I'm gonna put that in my giveaway. It seemed like this whole box is going into my giveaway, and I might even stop using Bijou Beauty Box. I don't know, we'll see. But the next thing we got is this brush, and this is from Medusa's Makeup.
Can I say hello?
My child wants to say hello.
Hi.
Okay, so this is from Medusa's Makeup, and it is very soft. Feels like maybe a blush brush. or wiping setting powder off. So I'm gonna keep this because you can never have enough brushes. So I'm gonna keep this one. So this is from Medusa's Makeup. And then the next thing and last thing that I got, which is a highlighter from Chentilly Cosmetics. It is called their Glow Dust, and it is in the shade Glow Dough. How about that Glow Dough? So yeah, it's like a goldeny champagne-y color, which I do not have a lot as highlighters. So I'm gonna give this a nice little swatch with whatever is on the outside of it, just to see if I'm gonna keep it or give it away. So this is what that shade looks like right here. It almost looks like wet skin, you know what I'm talking about? So I'm definitely going to keep this because this is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I need to get a little bit more up in there. You can't have that one. Did you even eat breakfast?
I'm waiting for Bijou.
Where are my tweezers? They wouldn't be in the closet. Oh, here's some. Looking for my tweezers. Give me 1 second, you guys. Alright. All done. So let me get a brush so I can put it on my arm. So we can see what we're working with. I see some blue in it. That's different. So this is what that looks like right there. Ooh. Right there, that's what it looks like. So almost like wet skin. It gives you the wet skin look, which I like. So out of all of them, there's only 2 things that I will be keeping. That is the Chentilly highlighter and the Medusa Cosmetics brush. So yeah, for $30, I don't know if that was worth $30 to me. In my opinion, it's only my personal opinion. If you feel some other way, that's all fine and dandy, but to me, no, I am not that happy with it this month. But I will try next month and see what will be going on with them. If not, I think I'm going to move into a Glitz and Glam box or another box, because I'm going to try different boxes for the rest of the 2019 going into 2020. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you're interested in getting it, I will have the link down below. But yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.